All right. We need to get rid of the weirdo energy. Only allowing messages of the highest and best to come through for those it is meant to. We do not consent to energetic manipulation around here. We don't do clickbait. We don't feed into stories of delusion. Thank you. If you're still here, there might be something inside of here from your ancestors. Specifically, your ancestors. Oh God, my heart. Whoa. Okay, there's masculine energy coming through first for ancestors. Okay. Yeah, my ear's starting to ring. Whew. All right, what is the message that we have here for the collective? So you might know somebody who's in spirit that identified as a male or had more masculine energy in general. Men. I'm picking up on men right now. Okay, what is it that you have? You've had to deal with a lot of deception lately in the last couple of years. What this did was fine-tune your discernment, is what they're saying. You've had to deal with a lot of deception lately because what it did was fine-tune your discernment. Okay. What else is there? Elephants might be very significant to you. I'm using my Spirit Song Tarot right now, and the elephant is very strong. Okay. All right. Whew, I'm going to try not to cry. I don't want my emotions to get in the way, but my shoulder is flaring up in pain right now. And so they're telling me right now that you do not need to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. 222, as I just looked up. You do not need to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders, my child. Dragons are coming through right now. Just a little dragon trying to carry the weight of the world, and just a little dragon trying to heal the world, right? There's so much happening in the world. And I know that you care so much about it. And you might be getting a little bit lost in the sauce of it all. Spirit is saying that it is so important for you to take care of your well-being and to stay grounded and to not run off or run away from yourself, is what I'm hearing. Not to run away from yourself. The birds are coming through very strong right now in the window. It may be difficult for you right now to face what is coming up in your own shadows, as the underworld of the world is coming up for us to see and alchemize and change this world and heal. You have also some things coming up from your own underworld for you to alchemize and heal and change right now and move through. And it might be heavy right now, like my shoulder just started to cramp so intensely, but it is releasing. I quite literally feel the angels and the ancestors pulling it off of my shoulders. You do not need to rush. You do not need to rush where it is that you want to go. You do not need to rush your process. You do not need to rush your process. And there's something about coming through. Your ancestors want you to know that you do not need to rush this next phase to get to where you want to go. This, let's say you've always wanted to go to Colorado. And there was a time where you felt like, fuck, I need to go now. But you also felt resistance. And something told you not to push through the resistance. That's where you're at right now. Don't push through resistance. Don't push through resistance. That's what I'm hearing. Don't push through resistance. Okay. And don't try to force this, what's unraveling for you right now, this next phase. There's a lot of heart opening happening here. A lot of healing happening within your family line, within your heart, within love. What true love is what I'm hearing. True love with the self, true love with yourself, true love with another, with a romantic partner, true love with community and what that looks like. This was peeking out. This peeked out before and it just popped out right now. This 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Crystals. Alligators might be significant to you. Gators, lizards, snakes. Ten of Pentacles, it wasn't reversed. And what they're telling me right now is that there is a reversal happening in your finances and in your life. When you follow love, oh, this is what your ancestor, when you follow love and you follow what feels good, everything else will be taken care of. And the energy just got so quiet. When you follow love, when you follow service, when you follow what feels good, everything else will be taken care of. That is the foundation. And they're saying, if you have love, there's a note right here in front of me right now, and it says, guard it with love. If you have love in your life, they said I wasn't gonna cry. If you have discovered love in your life, whether it's love with a person romantically, whether it's love with your animals, whatever love you have in your life, family, guard it, protect that love, and go after that love. The pain in my back has calmed down now. Holy crap. This was real. I didn't know what was coming through right now. This is powerful. All right, what other messages do we have for this collective? For their highest and best only. They want me to pull the Dragon Oracle. Yeah. Your ancestors want you to light a candle for them. Light a white candle for them. Do what they like to do. Maybe they liked to cook. Maybe they liked to dance. Maybe they liked to sing. I'm getting so emotional. Light a candle for them and do whatever it is that they like to do to honor them and connect to them, because they do want to help you with some guidance and clarity on what steps to take next and what's really in alignment for you. Oh my God. All right. Dragon Oracle card. See what wants to come through. If you want to dive into a personalized reading, I have the spring sale event going on right now. So my private sessions and my personalized readings are on sale. I would love to connect with you and work with you deeper. All of you on here, it's amazing every time I get into a session or I record for you guys. I love doing this work. So if you would like to, I'd love to hold that space for you. Okay. Whew. Don't be afraid to take up space, and don't be afraid to take your time. You don't need to rush this timeline. You don't need to rush to a specific event. You don't need to rush to a specific location. You don't need to rush to, what you need to do is follow love. So they're just emphasizing. So whether it's love, you're giving to service and you're giving back to others, you're giving back to the world, you're giving back to, and you love to give, you love to cook for others, you love to, whatever it is, you love to sing for others, you love to hold space and talk to others, you love to laugh, you love to make others laugh. I'm just saying follow love. Follow love. That is the answer. Follow the love. Follow the love. Follow the love road. Follow the love road. Follow the love road. The card that came out is interesting. Sunshine Yellow Dragon. This is really soft energy coming through. It says helps you to help animals, serve animals, heal, respect, and understand them. I feel like you're somebody who's very in tune with animals. Click from spirit. Thank you. I'm being shown to like go out in nature where you are and to connect to the animals. You were probably somebody who does that already, but specifically right now, connecting with the animals around you, giving back to the animals around you. Some of you might be fostering animals or taking care of animals outdoors. Whatever it is, I'm being shown. It's what it's doing is it's activating your heart to know how to care for another. And it's doing something really deep within that, within your other connections as well. And then you have the blue dragon from the Pleiades coming out. So we got some Pleiadian energy. Prepares you to accept source healing. Accept this heart activation. Give and receive heart healing. There is for a portion of this collective, take what resonates. For a portion of this collective, there is a huge love activation happening. Whether you're in a romantic connection and it's just going to deepen and accelerate, and this is like your romantic partner, or you will be meeting somebody soon. Remember how I said I don't feed into delusion? This is not this is not like a toxic ex or something or anything like that. This is not somebody that you've had some story of like, this is my twin, this is my person, but they don't actually pay attention to me or talk to me. Like, we don't do delusion around here. So if you made it to this part of the video, you're like 95% not that kind of person. So there is a love activation coming through for this part, this collective here. And you're accepting love from the divine, your connection to yourself, and your connection to the divine, the source healing, love activation here. You're caring for the animals and the land around you. It's creating a very stable foundation for many things to grow. More love to grow. Romantic, platonic. Careers to grow is what I'm hearing now. Abundance to grow. Money, because this is 10 of Pentacles. This is a really beautiful time for you right now. And so this was just like confirmation from your ancestors. Remember to connect in with them, light a candle for them, do what they loved to do, and connect in with their energy. And I feel like they're gonna have some messages come through for you. Or if you're going and taking care of animals outside, taking care of the land, there's some messages that are gonna come through for you as you're working with the land, as you're taking care of another. You get the picture. You get what I'm saying. Okay. Wow. I hope that this served you well. Remember to take your time in this timeline, in this shift, and what's happening for you. Because a lot of things that you've prayed for are coming now, and are here, and arriving. If you would like to dive deeper in a personalized reading, like I said, I have the spring sale event going on right now. So I would love to hold that space if you want to dive in deeper. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Don't be afraid to take up space and be exactly who you are. People need you and your medicine. And those who are meant to be with you and love you for you will find you that way. Okay. Have a beautiful rest of your night, day, wherever you are on this planet. And I will see you in the next aligned channeled message for you. Goodbye for now.